Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make this quick walkthrough to show you guys how I got 12 months of ChatGPT Plus completely free. And the way this works is OpenAI is giving away these special promotional upgrade codes. And I'm going to show you guys later on how to get one of these upgrade codes. But before I do, I just want to show you that they actually work. Okay guys, just head to your ChatGPT homepage and you can do this on your PC or on your phone. I just use ChatGPT on my PC. So click on upgrade and then you're gonna press upgrade to plus. So this only works for the plus version of ChatGPT. And here's the key. So there's this button here at the bottom, have a promo code. And this is new from OpenAI. So I'm gonna copy in my 12-digit promo code and you're gonna have to get your own, and I'm gonna show you how later on in the video. Click apply, and as you can see, promo code applied. Annual subscription is $240 and it's completely free for me today. So like I said, I inputted my unique promo code and I'm gonna show you guys how to get your very own upgrade code for ChatGPT Plus right now. All right, so getting one of these upgrade codes is super easy to do. You're just gonna need a smartphone to follow along. So I'm doing this on an Apple phone, but it works on Android as well. So just open up your browser, guys. And we're going to navigate to a site called thecodechest.com. So that's thecodechest.com. Okay, so this is thecodechest.com. I check the site basically every day. There's always these new codes being added to this site. But yeah, so ChatGPT is right here. But I always just search in the search bar just in case you can't find it. So just search ChatGPT. Upgrade here. So this is that upgrade code. So as you can see, there's only 825 of these codes left. Like I said, they're very limited edition. So just press show full code here. So basically this site, it has a bunch of these codes and it says that they're locked in these like chests, right? So we need to fully unlock these codes. So for this code here, it says the chest is locked. Press here to unlock the chest. And then it takes you to this page here. Which says the code chest is powered by our sponsors. To unlock your chest, 2 free offers must be completed. So all this is saying is that these app companies are sponsoring this website, and that's how the site is actually able to get these special promotional codes. So basically, there's going to be a list of 4 apps on your screen. They're different all the time. So I'm going to complete 2 of these, but the ones you might have to complete might be completely different. So I'm just going to walk you through this here. So the first one here, I'm going to do Moto Casino. It says follow the easy instructions on the next page and press unlock now. Okay, so it says search casino in the search bar, find Moto, and then open the app. Super easy to do. So as you can see, it takes me right to the official app store, guys. So these apps that it makes you get are completely free. So I'm going to search in casino. If I could type, that would be good. Casino, and then we're looking for Moto. Okay, Moto. So I'm going to install this now. And yeah, these apps that it asks you to get, they're completely free. They won't ask you for any money. So I'm going to open this app up like it said to do, and this one is done. So I've completed the first one. So that took maybe what, like a minute? So now for the second one here, I'm going to do this one here, Lucky Match. So this looks like a game. It says download and complete level 13 to unlock this content. Yeah, so some of these are games, some of these are just like regular apps, you know. So I'm gonna press unlock now on this. And once again, right to the official app store, guys. Open, and I'm gonna press get on this as well. So I'm gonna download this app here, I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna get to level 13. It'll probably take me about 5 or so minutes. So just to keep this video, short, I'm going to work on this right now and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I am back here and I've been playing this game for about 5 or so minutes. I just want to show you that I've actually beaten level 13. So as you can see, level 14 is flashing. So this is a simple matching game. Like I said, 5 to 10 minutes, you can get to level 13 very easily. Okay, I'm going to stop playing now. I'm going to go back here to this, to the website, the code chest. And as you can see, the counter has updated. So it should say 2 of 2 offers completed. So that's how you know that you followed the steps properly, guys. And the full code should be unlocked. So once you see that 2 of 2 offers completed, you're going to go back here to where the chest was. And here's that 12-digit code that you guys saw me input earlier on in the video, right to ChatGPT to unlock 12 months of Plus, copy and paste it in just like I showed you guys earlier on. And it's worth noting that this is people ask me this all the time. All these comments are, oh, why didn't this code work for me? Well, that's because I've already used this actual code. So this is a unique code, right? It's only one-time use. So you have to go through these steps in the video and get your own 12-digit upgrade code. And that's really all there is to it. It's super easy to get these codes. And remember, they're running out very fast. There's only about 800 left. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any problems with this video, ask me any question you want in the comments. I will answer all of your questions. And that's really it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.